Hey guys, it is that time again. We have a package that we need to open up. Right on cue. Really, sir? You were fine laying over there until I started recording. And now look at you. Are we done, DA? FBI? And all the other letters? Thank you. I swear he's such a clown. Let's see, did you put it in a shipping box? Looks like it. You didn't want to send it by priority. That's what that was. Okay, let's just get the scissors. That's the address side. I don't need to see that side, so I'm still opening it, Capone. You swear this stuff is for you. I see you looking at me. Big-headed self. Okay, got that off. More tape. At least they taped it really well. Okay, here we go. So, it has only taken me, let's see, we're in 2024, maybe 3 years to finally get my hands on one of these. Not like I've been looking for 3 years straight, but still. Yes, Capone, I took something off the box. Oh my goodness. Yes, don't fall off the bed. I'm trying to see it. Okay? It's not a bark box. It's not food. My inquisitive puppy. Hold on. I think we're just going to change the unboxing to unboxings with me and Capone. You think that's good, Capone? We change our title? Unboxing with Mommy and Capone? Don't you cock your head at me like that, sir. Rotten butt. Anyway, you guys. So, this is what we finally have. Wanted one of these for my smart dolls since I saw them in 21. Yes, it's a box and I have to open it. And again, it's still not food. See? It's not a button to stop pushing on things. Wow. Anyway. So yeah, I've wanted one of these since I saw someone in their smart doll focus camera. And someone had one of these for their smart dolls. And now we finally have one. Perfect timing because my actual camera came, I want to say Friday and today's Monday. So, there it is. Here's the back. Oh, let me sit there. Here's the strap. And the other lens. What else is in here? Something at the very bottom. Probably the cable. Yeah, the cable. So I'm going to take this out, figure it out, and maybe take some of the girls outside to take pictures. And you guys will see those at the end of the video. So that is it. Let's see, do I have any more smart doll stuff coming? Actually, I don't know. Maybe not. We'll see. This might be the last thing on the video. I don't know right now. Things are crazy right now with Lola. things are just crazy. So maybe something else after this. Keep watching, stay safe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, we have a package to open up from Canada. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. So we got a cell phone with Hello Kitty on it in purple or lavender. We have a free gift, looks like a pair of cat ears. And we ordered this too. Quick break. Sorry about that. Had a massive cough attack and wow, it was bad. Anyway, so we got this iPad. Hello, Capone. Of course, you would come down now. At least it's almost over. So, has a keyboard and this app is like Pro something. Procreate Pro something. I have no clue. I just liked it. It was a different screen background. So that's all we have in purple, of course. I was actually going to give this to a different doll instead of the smart dolls, but we'll see. So that's all we have for today. Cool that she sent purple ears too to match everything. So that's it. I don't know what else is... actually, that's a lie. I do have some shoes coming in, I don't know, Korea, South Korea. I think it's from Korea. It's not Japan or China. So, we have those coming in. I don't think I ordered anything else. I've been kind of slowing down with my orders, dealing with Lola and stuff. So, that's it. You guys keep watching. Take care, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, we have 2 packages to open up from Miss Kaya. These just came today. Let's see. This one is from Doll Delights, and this one is from Fabric and Friends. This I have wanted for, wow, maybe 3 years, and surprisingly, it's actually been in my cart for 3 years. And it was the last one available. So I'm not even gonna wonder how that happened, but I love the cart system. So finally it is here. I wanted the turquoise one, but it's been out of stock for a while. But at least we got this. So hopefully she'll be cute in this. Finally, it's here. And we have this to open up. This stuff was supposed to get here Saturday, but of course, there was a delay, so I couldn't put this in her unboxing video. Let's Here we go. Okay. So, this is an official Maskcat outfit. Right there. Name of the outfit is Starry Sky. Here's the skirt. Comes with this fabulous hat with the little buttons and the anchor. We have some socks. Let's see. I think this is like the slip. Then we have a beautiful jacket. This is like a sash that goes on. I have no clue what this is. Don't remember seeing this in the picture, but we'll figure it out. And I guess, I don't know what this is. What does it say? It says Hobby Horse Mina? I have no clue. I just see the Hobby Horse part on it. That's really cool. Let's open it carefully. There it is. Okay, so this part goes around her neck. But that's what the outfit's supposed to look like. So it does say Mina right here. So I'm not as blind as I thought I was. So the artist is Mina. Cool. I think this is it's either limited to 3 or 5 outfits. I don't remember which one. But we have one of them at least. So we'll need to glue this back on. So that's all we have for now for little Miss Kaya. I'm going to find a top so she can go ahead and try this on. I don't know if we're going to try all this on because it is very elaborate. Lots of little things to add. So we might try this on a little later. Let's see, what else am I waiting on for her? I have to order her some more shoes because she only has like 2 pairs of shoes. So I need to order her some shoes. And there are a few more things I want to pick up for her. But that is it for now. You guys stay safe, keep watching, and I will talk to you guys later.